Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming core requirements. Windows 10 needs at least a 1 GHz processor, appropriate RAM, and about 20 GB free disk. Check those now. Once done, back up your user folders to an external drive or cloud and jot down any product keys or account passwords. Then download Microsoft's Media Creation tool on your Windows 7 PC, right-click and run as administrator. This starts the in-place upgrade flow. Choose Upgrade this PC now and follow prompts. It prepares files and checks compatibility before installing. You'll now control the core upgrade choices. When the Media Creation tool prompts, select whether to keep personal files and apps or perform a clean install. Keeping files is faster, but a clean install removes legacy clutter. Make sure to allow the tool to download updates. That stage may take 20 to 60 minutes depending on your internet. During the compatibility check, pay attention to any drivers or apps flagged. Pause and download updated drivers or firmware from the manufacturer if recommended, because drivers often determine post-upgrade stability. Finish the process by completing Windows 10 setup. Sign in with a local or Microsoft account and review privacy and update choices so the system updates automatically. Once on the desktop, run Windows Update right away and install optional drivers or firmware from the manufacturer to ensure hardware functions correctly. If you hit problems, recover quickly. Reboot into safe mode to uninstall a problematic driver, use Device Manager to roll back drivers, or open recovery options to revert to Windows 7. Those steps resolve most post-upgrade failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.